Who said that casual dressing had to be boring, ill-fitting, lifeless, no personality, outdated, all the things? Well, that's exactly what today's video is all about. I'm talking about taking your everyday casual outfits and infusing them with soul, with rhythm, with intentionality, because that's what's going to bring out the personality in the outfit. That's what's going to make it sing. Hey dolls, welcome back to the channel. I'm Bridget. On this channel, I focus on fashion and lifestyle. If you love fashion or you just need to be inspired, then you've landed in the right place. In today's video, I'm talking all about how to turn your casual, everyday outfits into something that has rhythm, that has soul, that makes the outfit sing, and that gives it that personality aside from it being part of your personal style or having pieces that are a part of your style pillar. So let's jump right in.
Some people think casual means easy, but chic, elevated casual, that actually takes intention. There is an art and a rhythm to putting together a relaxed casual outfit so it still feels stylish, modern, and composed. Not stiff, not sloppy, but just right. You hear a lot of word soup talking about your personal style pillars, and others. But here's the thing. Your personal style is the silhouettes, the shapes, the colors, or the styles that you generally gravitate to. Like I said before, your style pillars are the pieces within your personal style to build your outfit around. I like to refer to style pillars as the soul of the outfit because it's going to be the main anchoring piece for the rest of the look. The rhythm becomes all of the other things used to finish off the look, like jewelry, shoes, sunnies, bags, your hair, your nails even, and so on. Then the intentionality shows up in how it looks when you're done and whether you're wearing it or it's wearing you, darling. Do you feel comfortable, confident, and beautiful in it? Today, I'm sharing with you how I personally take a relaxed casual outfit and still make it look designed and all of the other things, giving it soul and rhythm. When an outfit feels off, it's usually because everything is either too relaxed, it's not anchored. So here's my simple formula. You have one relaxed piece, one grounding piece, and then your one personality detail. So in look one, we have white wide leg denim jeans plus an olive green cable knit sweater. It's a turtleneck. Beige over the knee stiletto boots. A green olive suede mini bag. A beautiful rich satin scarf tied at the hip, a tan baseball cap, and a pair of sunnies. Whew, now that sounds like a lot, right? But this outfit works because the shapes are relaxed, but the colors are controlled. The shoes and the suede bag give it intention. It's casual, but it still has soul. The sweater is the soul of the outfit. For my jewelry choices, I did a large gold hoop earring, an elegant watch, and then optional, do a slim gold bracelet or a long, thin gold necklace. I used a bangle bracelet that is a hammered look. And then why the jewelry works? Because it's simple, it's classic, and it's clean. No metal is fighting with the denim vibe. In look number 2, we have olive trapeze pants plus a denim button down, an olive trench, a denim Gucci bag, and brown boat shoes. These pants are soft and gathered at the ankle, but the trench coat brings structure. The boat shoes, even though some say they are out of style, to me bring polish. This is relaxed with authority, and then the trench becomes the soul of the outfit. For my jewelry choices, I went with chunky gold hoops, or you could do a medium hoop, a textured gold cuff, which is what I used in the first look. You can make it simple, matte with a matte finish. Why this works. Olive green pairs beautifully with warm metals. Keep it bold, but not too flashy. In look number 3, we've got animal print pants, a white button down, a burgundy cashmere pullover sweater, and a pair of burgundy flats. Here, the pattern is the personality. Everything else stays calm. That's the rhythm. The soul are the pants. The rhythm is the statement plus neutrals plus polish. For jewelry choices, I went with a sculpted gold earrings, chunky layered necklaces, and a chunky gold watch. Optional, you could do a thin gold signet ring. I love a thin gold signet ring. Why this look works. The animal print is the statement. Like I said, it is the soul. Sculptural gold adds dimension without anything competing. Now, look number 4. We have this beautiful burgundy silky off-the-shoulder top, these burgundy pleated trousers, a faux fur jacket, and a burgundy bag with a gold handle. Yes, y'all know I love monochromatic outfits, but this outfit shows that relaxed doesn't have to be plain. Texture does the work. You've got silk, pleats, fur. It all ends up being soft, but powerful. My jewelry choices here were a thin gold necklace or choker, something close up on the neck, a dainty gold watch, and a simple tennis bracelet. I wanted to keep it all easy. Optional, you could have done, again, another signet ring or a thin stack of rings. Why this works. You've got silk plus pleats plus fur. Honey, that can't equal anything else but luxe. The rest adds softness without any distractions. Look number 5. Balloon sleeve white top off the shoulder. There's a beautiful brown layered skirt and white wedge teal pumps. plus a bag and a white blazer with some nude tights. It is cold outside. This outfit is flowy, so the blazer gives it structure, and the accessories is what brings the personality. I don't want anything to feel stiff. It has to have the same rhythm, the same soul, the same softness. My jewelry choices here: a silver tennis necklace, a silver cuff bracelet, and a simple silver watch. Some silver diamond huggy style earrings. That's it. Why this works. The blazer already gives the neckline some interest. The luxe earrings help the eye to trace downward. Look number 6. A denim maxi skirt plus a cutout shoulder black turtleneck, shark style boots, and a faux fur jacket. The skirt is simple. The top is sculptural. The boot is architectural, and the fur adds the texture. One easy piece makes that one fashion moment. My jewelry choices: chunky statement rings, gold, maybe one with a black stone, simple long gold necklace, and a gold chunky statement belt. I use my Christian Dior belt here, I believe. A bow signet or cuff bracelet would be options that I would choose. Why this all works. This outfit already has architectural interest. Jewelry should echo that structure. Look number 7. A gray knit skirt set. You can't go wrong with a skirt set. Funnel neck top plus a brown belt, brown boots, and a navy trench. This is what I consider loungewear meeting tailoring. The belt gives it intention. The trench makes it city ready. The jewelry, I did a matte gold hoop, a delicate gold chain necklace to nestle against the funnel neck if there's room. The belt, of course, was optional. Why it works. Soft knit needs a refined contrast. Warm gold adds light without heaviness. Look number 8. An orange shirt plus a mocha color pair of cargo pants, plaid blazer belted, a dark bag, plus gold slingbacks. This is relaxed tailoring, soft shirt, a classic blazer, and a strong shoe. It feels effortless, but it's still designed. The soul is the shoe. The jewelry choices: a bold gold hoops. Y'all know I'm a hoops girl. Medium or large. Chunky chain necklace. short length, stacked gold bangles if you want wrist texture. Optional would have been gold rings, but not too many or not too flashy. Why it works? This outfit has color and pattern. Gold brings warmth and polish. The soul of this look is the blazer. And last but not least, look number 9, this baby blue pinstripe button down. A brown faux suede sleeveless dress with croc embossed knee-high high heel boots and a baby blue check wool blend long coat. This is beauty personified. This is beautiful. This feels like that 70s inspired chic. With modern touches, this look feels grounded and succinct. My jewelry choices: small silver hoops, simple two-toned watch, and a stack of two-toned bracelets. Relaxed style works best when it has rhythm, when it has soul and presence. It's something easy, something grounding, and something that gives the outfit personality and intentionality. Relaxed doesn't mean random. It means intentional. Tell me in the comments which look most felt like you, or which was your favorite. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, don't forget to give this video a like. This is the way I can keep bringing you great content and inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe as well so we can continue to grow this sacred community. And always comment and share your thoughts and concerns. I read them all, and I do try to respond. I have some super exciting news to share with you ladies coming very soon. So please make sure you turn on your notification bell so you never miss a thing over here. I'm full of surprises in 2026. Remember, dolls, keep the soul and the rhythm of your outfits flowing, but stay intentional and stay authentic. And until I see you dolls in the next video, bye for now.